Hello there, it's Carrie Rhodes here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are taking a close-up look at the brand new limited edition All Aboard Christmas Mega Holiday Kit. It has over 580 pieces in this kit. There's a die set, a stamp set, ephemera, embellishment, adhesive, pre-cut cards and envelopes, tags. You're gonna have so much fun creating with this kit. It is valued at over $115, but of course, such a savings on the Spellbinders shop. So let's go ahead and jump in and take a look at what's in this box. All right, here's the All Aboard kit from Spellbinders. It is now available, and this kit box is so big. Can you see how big this is? And it's kind of like heavy for its size. So let's go ahead and open it up. It's very pretty. I love how they decorate it for the season. So cute. Oh, the lovely tissue here. Oh, it's nice and thick tissue too. Let's just cut that. Oh, look, it has a little instruction or inspiration guide, and it has all the kit contents laid out for you here. That's cool, with some inspiration. Let's scoot this over here. And then inspiration with directions. Got to love that. And it is such a cute card. Oh my word. Okay, let's take a look at what else we have in here. We have envelopes, and there should be 25 in here because the kit says there are enough supplies to make 25 cards. And then we have card bases already cut and scored for you that are A2 size, and it is textured cardstock. That's pretty cool. I'm going to move this a little bit more out of the way so we have room. Yeah, they're all the same, all 25 textured with envelope. Okay, we've got some ephemera. Gorgeous colors with the gold. Yeah, it's got like gold foiling on the pieces. So we've got some holly. Look at that, holly and berries. Ooh, love it. We've got, some poinsettias that I think you could layer up like that. Got this leaf, you could, remove the veins, or remove these pieces so you see the veins. A little floral piece. Lots of florals. Okay, I'm going to set that over there. We have some sequins, some red sequins. Some of them are really shiny, and some of them are a little bit more matte. Like one's shiny red, one's metallic red. And then we've got some foam squares, 2 sheets. And you can use all these edge pieces. I always do. Oh my goodness, we have some dies in here. I love these kits with all the different things. This is your train. Oh my word, look. So this piece you can layer right here, it looks like. See that? Oh, a little smokestack. Oh my goodness. These are like little gears and things to hook the trains together. So it's metallic. You know, you could die cut it from metallic cardstock. That looks like part of a tree, right? You could layer these up to make a tree. Different parts of the wheel, presents. Oh, little bows for your presents. This gives probably like an additional train car. And another layer to the tree. That is so fun. Put those in there. That is cool. I mean, look at the detail on this train just by itself. I don't know if you can see right here, it has lines that will emboss that portion. And then if you want to layer, look, there's a little layering piece. All of these little things, this die cuts out a bunch of pieces at once, but all these little pieces are layering pieces. So you could die cut the train, let's say from black, and then die cut these pieces from silver, and then layer it over. That is really cool. Let's put our dies over here. Paper pack, oh my word. Okay, let's take a look at the all aboard paper pack. This feels very Spellbinder. Like, I feel it's familiar. If you've got their kits before, I feel like there was a kit that had very similar paper. It's lightweight. It's only one-sided. Look at that. I like simple backgrounds a lot. I love a scripty background. Stripes. Oh yeah. Sparkles. Oh wow. See, you could just use this on a card and add a sentiment, or some of that ephemera would be great on there. But you can see a little inspiration on how you can arrange those ephemera floral pieces just by looking at that paper. Oh, this is like gold foiled candy. That's cool. That could be used any time of year, not just Christmas. Christmas trees. Yeah, I feel like I have seen this paper from Spellbinders. Very similar paper pack. Oh, look at the wood grain. Oh my goodness. Plaid is one of my favorite. This pink, it's kind of ombre. It's darker pink here and it fades to almost tan at the bottom. We've got stripes. Pink with bows. This is almost like an animal, like a fawn. You can almost see the animal hair in the background, and then the white splotches. That is really cool. Oh, it's a watercolor. It almost looks like a cityscape. Red with sparkles. This one's gorgeous. So pretty. There's like wood grain in the back. That's beautiful with the diamond pattern. I feel like we saw this one at the beginning, so now we might be, yeah, repeating. So now we have 2 of each piece in this paper pad. I didn't count how many that was. All right, we have another ephemera pack. Oh, see, there's a deer in here. Oh my word. We've got little tags with some twine. A little tag kit. Okay, so we've got the little tags here. Love, joy, peace, wonderful, let it snow, and they all have little gold glitter ending on the edge. Let it snow, warm wishes, Merry Christmas, Merry everything, believe, blessings, be joyful, ho ho ho. They're all different. That's really cool. I'm gonna see if I can keep these back in the little bag. I don't know, it's gonna be hard to put these back in all the bags. I think I'm gonna store mine in the box. All these ephemera things. Then I have a place to kind of sort through them maybe. The twine, oh, it's like my favorite kind of twine. It's a little bit thick, a little bit hairy, so to speak. I love it. Okay, and then we have larger tags, and these all have the little opening on the end to make it look like a tag. These also could make great like pieces for your card, ornaments. You could turn these into ornaments. Look at that. Little house, a candy jar. We have a lot of glitter on all of these. Love, there's some stripes, so you could add, you know, something to the top of that easily. A bow, ornaments. Oh, the deer, gorgeous. Be filled with joy. So cool. Great tags. They're all that same weight as the ephemera, of that halfway between patterned paper and cardstock. We have some rhinestones with glitter on the top. Red, pink, mint green, and kind of an off-white. Those are fabulous. We have a stamp set with sentiments, perfect because you have so many images already in the ephemera and the train. So wonderful, love, joy, and time of year, holiday. May you be surrounded by, may your holidays be, sending you love to the world, wishing you lots of, may you and your loved ones find everything this holiday season, the most blessings. Have yourself a New Year, Christmas blessed with, wishing you a lot of combinations you can make there. Ooh, we have some chipboard pieces with adhesive on the back. Love, joy, peace, family, gathered together. Look at the little train, a hedgehog. Celebrating happiness, merry and bright. And they have gold metallic finishings on them. Oh, here's some more with gold glitter on them. Also, they're very thick. Very thick. These are kind of like foam pieces. So they're lightweight and they have a little bit of squish to them. So this one's only one-sided, but the candy, that plays in with the candy ephemera. We have some gold glitter sentiments. Very pretty script. Just one sheet. Ho, ho. There's only, ho, 3 hoes. Merry, jolly, believe, love, joy, Christmas, a bunch of stars. Oh my word, there's so much. Oh, we have an alphabet. There's several of each letter. And they're gold glitter and they're foam. Numbers as well, arrows, little extra pieces like just a star, ampersand, hashtag. Cool. We have a roll of double stick tape. That's fabulous. And then we have paper. A lot of paper. Gold glitter and red glitter. Let's look. It's pretty thick paper from what I can feel. Can you believe how much stuff is in this box? Wow. They say it's a $115 value, but of course it's not that much in the shop. You're getting quite the value when you buy it in a kit. So yeah, gold, nothing came off. Red, I might have had one piece. That could also be from the packaging. That is so gorgeous. All right, let's look at the colors of cardstock in here. Oh, there's metallic. We have this green, silver metallic on both sides, burgundy, gold, very thick paper on those metallics. I'm going to set the metallics with the glitter paper so we can kind of see all the colors here. So there's your color palette. And you can see it's going to go with all of these ephemera pieces and that patterned paper. And then we have our metallics in there as well, and glitter. It's really a lot. It's really a lot of stuff in this kit. A die set, a stamp set, all this paper. I can't even fit it all in here. Your alphabet, your sentiment, stickers, your just tons of ephemera, tags, twine, adhesives, envelopes, cards. Wow, it's so much stuff in this kit. So what a great value. So I just wanted to unbox this for you. And if you want to see card ideas with, it was kind of maybe like a smaller, similar version of this kit, I did cards with last year. I'm going to link that for you. I'll link it at the end too, and you can check that out right away. And then I will get to creating with this and bring you some fresh new ideas with all of these things. This train die, so cute, so fun. All right, thank you so much for stopping by. And if you have any questions about the kit, let me know. And if you're new to my channel, I have card making videos all the time, so feel free to subscribe. And I will see you all again very soon on the next video. Happy stamping! Bye!